Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. So today I'm going to take a look at bank stocks, mainly Bank of America and JPM. Let's see the analysis to see if they're good value right now, or should we wait till they drop more and pick them up at a better price. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can watch my new videos and stay updated when you click that bell button next to it. And let's jump right into it. So let's look at Bank of America stock right now. I have it pulled up. I'm using Thinkorswim platform by TD Ameritrade for all my chart analysis and all my videos. So looking at the stock right now, today is June 6, 2019, and it closed at around 27.9 area. And looking at the yearly chart, we can also see that we had that pretty big drop, broke that 9 SMA right here. That's the yellow line. If you don't know what the SMA is, it's a simple moving average, or some people call it standard moving average. You can Google it just to see what it is, and I use the 9 SMA on the charts, which is that yellow line, and it's also breaking that 50 and 200 SMA, and being that it's below right now, we're seeing MACD in the red. We saw a small curl up recently. So what happened with the markets? Let's load up S&P 500 right now. We got that almost a 10% correction recently from all-time highs all the way down from 295 area to 273. So what happened to banks? We've seen those interest rates about to get cut and come down, so that's pretty good for Wall Street. That's all right, but banks, not really good for them because they cut the rates and they're not getting that best price for when people take out loans, mortgage rates, etc. So you can read up on this article if you just Google interest rate cuts and Bank of America stock and bank stocks, and you can see the article on there on CNN.com, or you can just head over to CNBC and look at the article on that one. So looking at Bank of America stock overall, we're below that 200 SMA, and let's load up the Fibonacci chart so we can see a more in-depth price view of this stock. So looking at it, all-time highs, it's about 31.91. 33.05, and being that it hasn't broken through that within that year, where highs are right now at 31.91, lows all the way down in December when we had that huge correction, at almost 20% correction, 22.6 lows. So we recovered from that. It tried to break over at 31, but you can see 30 has been that big resistance. As soon as we got that correction, it had trouble breaking over and staying over that. It tried to break over 31 to 32, it couldn't break over, came back down all the way down to 26 area, about 26. You can see the low right here, 26.4. so being that we're right here at this area right now, let's zoom into this period right here. So being that we're not breaking over this Fibonacci resistance, that's going to be the point that I'm looking for before I take a position. I'm going to wait to see, is this going to break this resistance right here on the Fibonacci chart, or is it going to get rejected and come back down, test the support and go up, or we have a second play that it could go towards, and that is it could break that support, come down, test the support, and come down and test the support later on, or bounce up from there, come back down and bounce up from there. So we want to wait at least to see if it tests this 28.38. so write that down, 28.38. see if it tests that resistance. If not, write down the next support, 27.29. and in my mentorship program, I go over how to set up all these charts step by step. It's a one-to-one mentorship. I teach a lot of traders and investors. So being that it's support, resistance are right in this level, just make sure to keep a note on that. So way I'm going to play this stock, I'm not anyway a financial advisor or anything. It's just my analysis and what I see in the stock market and on the stock market chart and the analysis itself. I see that I want to wait for the support to test or this resistance to test first and see if it can break over. And you can see it didn't really hold that support right here. It broke through. So if we do get that support breaking again, then I'm going to take a position in this one. But I mainly want to see if it can test that 27 area or break through this 200 SMA. And we have to look at the markets as well, and we also have to look at the jobs report that's coming out tomorrow. That's a big thing for the economy, for the American economy. It's very important. And also we have to see if the Feds are going to actually cut cut the rates, the interest rates. We've already seen the mortgage rates dropping. So let's wait till that happens. But right now, I'd say it's best to just wait for this position, wait for the stock to come down and give a better value for its price, better value for your money, and take a small position slowly. So that's the way that I would play it. But if you have any suggestions or what you think about the stock, do you think it's a very good buy right now, or do you think it's definitely sell position right now, or do you think just to stay away from the stock? So what do you think about the stock? Let me know and leave your comments below. And again, if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to join the chat room where I call out all these alerts, where I'm adding to my positions, options alerts, day trading alerts, swing trade, etc., then make sure to head over to my website, pinnacletrading.us. You can scroll down and get a free 1-week trial to the premium chat room. Click that join now button. It will take you over to Discord. That's where the chat room is. And if you want to join the membership, if it's simple month-to-month plan pricing, it's $49.99 for the gold. But if you do mention this video and message me in the chat room directly, you get a 20% off discount. I do have 6 and 12-month plan, which saves you money in the long run. And this is the mentorship plan that I mentioned earlier, where it can go by hourly session or a month session. And this is where I teach you live one-to-one with a screen share with video and audio. For beginner traders to intermediate to advanced traders, also investors as well. Teach you from basics to advanced strategies that I use and the ones that work for me as well. If this video helped you out, again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified all my future videos and trade ideas and recaps and etc. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.